Ever met a fandom that is normal? I don't think that ever happened because the Dogman fandom is absolutely crazy.
Bruh.
The book released on August 30th, 2016, released a year after Captain Underpants' last novel. And yes, Captain Underpants still has a fandom too.
Now where are my keys?
Also, I found this video from the Dogman fandom and it's about peace development. Credit to this guy.
I tried to scream, but my head was underwater.
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
But it's getting colder, let me in your ocean swim. Out in California, I've been forced to swim.
Very awesome, particularly cool video, man. On to next video. To the next topic, it's about shipping. What am I doing with my life?